Hello, health enthusiasts. Did you know a simple cup of herbal tea could be your secret weapon against seasonal sniffles? Today we're exploring nature's medicine cabinet to reveal the top 3 plants that can supercharge your immune system fast. We'll debunk some myths and address any concerns so you're informed every step of the way, ready to discover these natural wonders? First on our list is Echinacea, a formidable ally against colds and flu. Imagine sipping Echinacea tea, confident it's bolstering your body's defenses. Echinacea works by boosting your white blood cells, your immune army's frontline soldiers. The best way to consume it, try tea or capsules. Stick to the recommended dosage to avoid side effects like nausea or dizziness. Research shows Echinacea can cut your cold risk by up to 58%, but always watch out for allergies, especially if you're sensitive to plants in the daisy family. Next up is the powerful Elderberry. This isn't just another pretty plant, it's an antioxidant-rich shield, great for reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. Picture elderberry syrup shortening your flu symptoms, helping you bounce back quickly. Enjoy it as syrup, lozenges, or in smoothies. But be mindful of the amount, too much can upset your stomach. Elderberry can significantly reduce flu symptoms if taken within 48 hours of onset. Our final contender is the vibrant turmeric. This golden spice, celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant prowess, owes its power to curcumin. Imagine turning your morning latte into a golden health elixir with just a sprinkle of turmeric. Pair it with black pepper for better absorption. Watch the dose. 500 2,000 mg per day is ideal to avoid stomach upset. Concerned about staining? Use a straw for your turmeric latte. And there you have it, the top 3 plants to naturally boost your immune system. Enjoy a cozy cup of Echinacea tea or elderberry syrup. These herbal heroes are here to support your health journey. Have you tried any of these remedies? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this video resonated with you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more natural health insights. Here's to a healthier you.